This San Francisco Bay Area trail runs 32 miles from Dublin to Concord within the East Bay. Although you have many options for adventure trails within the San Francisco Bay Area, there is one trail that will give you phenomenal scenic views, wonderful recreational activities, numerous places to rest and relax, while providing convenient dining, shopping, and lodging options. PairRec will answer your top frequently asked questions about obtaining the most of visiting the Iron Horse Trail. If you're new to the PairRec channel, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to receive wonderful answers to your most important questions about visiting the San Francisco Bay Area. Part 1 of the Iron Horse Trail begins at the Old Castle Infrastructure and concludes at Daughtery Hills Dog Park. Most of the Iron Horse Trail provides a yellow divider line which separates the flow of traffic traveling in either direction. You will move towards your right of the trail, whether you choose to walk, run, or cycle. You can bicycle alone or with family and friends. Push the button on the street pole near you to trigger the street light across the street that you want to cross. Then wait for the red hand signal to turn into a white walking signal. You can now cross the street. The white walking signal will turn back into a flashing red hand signal, indicating how many seconds you have to cross the street until it is unsafe to do so. You can find many directional signage connecting you to the Iron Horse Trail so you can never get lost. Lemon trees, benches for resting, water faucet to keep hydrated, waste disposal to keep your trail clean, air pumps to keep your bike tires inflated, bike racks for parking your bike, children's playgrounds, stunning views of the valley, which also includes bridges, maps providing trail information, wonderful sunsets of the hills, and amazing hillside mountain trails with superb views of the valley. Unfortunately, smoking is not permitted on the trail. You can use the Tri-Valley Wheels number 10 bus line for transport from the BART Rapid Transit System to the Ironhorse Trail, as well as returning back to BART. The San Francisco Bay Area Rapid Transit District, BART, is a heavy rail public transit system that connects the San Francisco Peninsula with communities in the San Francisco East Bay and South Bay. Tri-Valley Wheels offers bike racks to store your bikes, while BART allows bikes on its trains except the front and rear trains. Most of the public restrooms are within the public parks. Meadow Plaza in Pleasanton features Walmart, Mountain Mike's Pizza, Hair Salon, Kaki Sushi, and many other merchants. You will find many parks along the Ironhorse Trail. The larger parks feature children's playgrounds, benches for resting, handball, basketball, and tennis courts, large grass areas for volleyball, relaxation, and networking with family and friends, barbecue pits, picnic tables, and public restrooms. The route illustrates where PairRec began, which was the beginning of the Ironhorse Trail, to where PairRec concluded, at Daugherty Hills Dog Park. This concludes our informative adventure on answering some of your most frequently asked questions for visiting the Ironhorse Trail. We hope you enjoy all the points of interest you may inquire about in your journey throughout the Ironhorse Trail. If so, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for part 2 of our journey throughout this fantastic trail. Remember to ring the bell for updates to the next exciting PairRec video as we continue our adventure throughout the stunning East Bay Trail. That's all for now, and have a nice day.